This is the microcamera keychain camera from Suntek store. It comes in a real nice, pretty box. And inside of that box you will find the actual camera, which is the size of a car fob. It has a keychain adapter to it. It's plastic, very lightweight, and it does look exactly like a car fob with the exception of a USB connector and a slot for the micro SD card. The opening for the pinhole of the camera is right at the front, and it's quite inconspicuous. In the package you will also find standard USB cable that you can use to charge the camera or connect to the internal memory, and an AC charger that could work with any USB device, but it has enough power to work with this particular device. It has a two-prong connector at the back, which you would use to plug it into a wall, and then you would plug the USB cable on one side here and on the other side into your camera so it can be charged. The camera also has two buttons for control and two fake buttons, so it looks more like a key fob. It has an LED that will light up to indicate various activities, and the before mentioned connector slots. Before you can use the camera, you need to provide some memory because it does not have any internal memory. This camera uses micro SD or micro SD HC high capacity cards that you can insert in the slot, and this is how you would do that. Just gently find the right angle and insert the card all the way in, pressing it with your nail until it clicks and locks up in place. Once it is inside, you cannot see the SD card protruding. After charging the camera, it will be ready to go. You just power it on by pressing and holding the power button until the yellow LED light comes on. After that, you can either take snapshots by shortly pressing one of the keys, which is the audio video key, and you'll notice that the LED blinked to indicate recording of an image, or you can press and hold that button for a few seconds and you'll see the LED quickly blink 3 times and go off, and now the camera is recording a video. The video won't stop recording until the battery runs out or the card gets full, or you can stop it by pressing the video button once and you'll see the light come back on and put the device in standby mode. Then you can turn it off by holding the on-off button until the light goes off. This is it. Then you can charge the device and it will be ready to go. To get the video out of it, you just connect it to a computer with the supplied USB cable, and it gets mounted as a drive, and then you can copy all the pictures and videos from it to your computer, and then you can use them as you wish. The video is full resolution 720 by 480 pixels, and the compression is MJPEG, which is not the most efficient, but it's very easy for video editing. The pictures have a resolution of 1280 by 1024, which exceeds obviously the quality of the camera, but the images and the video is surprisingly good for a small and cheap device like this. Overall, this is a very good value and pretty decent quality. There's also a manual in the box written in both Chinese and English. The English part that I can understand is pretty badly written, and it seems to be inaccurate, especially as far as how you set the the date and time that is stamped onto the video and the pictures. If you want some more accurate instruction, you have to look on the internet, and I have some instructions in the text review that I've posted on the Suntek store website.